Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install, demo, import and customize NewsMatic news or blog theme which is supportive of Elementor. Is free theme, very convenient to use with Elementor Builder. So there are three themes available. This is the first one you can see, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. So you can select whichever you like. All three themes have the mega menu. You can see once you hover around, the mega menu is appearing. Also the first theme having the exact date and time menu also available with the breaking news bar. So those kind of things are there. It's a very nice theme. It can be editable with the Elementor. That's the important thing. So let's see how to install, demo, import and customize this. Okay, first go your WordPress dashboards, click Appearance, then click Themes. Then click Add New Theme. Here search for NewsMatic. Okay, this is the NewsMatic theme. Let's click Install, then click Activate. Okay, once it activated, the following screen will appear. So it will ask you to install demos. So when you click this Install Demos, on the bottom line you will see Install Blase Themes Demo Importer and import any available demo in one click. So first click this install and activate plugin. So you can click this one. Okay, now the demo importer is activated. Okay, let's import the preferred theme. So when you go to the free themes, you can see the first default one is not Elementor supported. You can see there's no Elementor sign, so don't import this one. If you import this one, you have to edit with the front end editor, not with the Elementor editor. So you have to select one of three of these, 1, 2 and 3. So I prefer this one displaying with the date and time. All three are similar way of editing. Whatever theme you selected, the editing process is the same. So let's click this one, install. So when you click install, it will ask you the required plugins installation. The Elementor and NewsKit Elementor add-ons, both are the required plugins. But when you import the data, it will automatically install and activate both these required plugins. So no need to worry, just click import demo, click OK. So it will take a few minutes depend on your internet speed and the hosting speed. So wait for that. Okay, once the installation is completed, you will get the following message. All done, have fun. So let's click view your website. Wow, you can see all the demo contents have been imported. So let's check the pages imported correctly. Go back, go to pages, see all pages. Here you can see the home page, that is the front page, contact us and subscribe us. So this is the home page and the contact us. So these are the category pages. So I'll show you how to create these categories and full customization of this theme. Once you click this fashion, you can see the post related to fashion appear here. Okay, let's edit this theme using the Elementor builder. So first let's edit this header part. Move your mouse above this edit with Elementor. Here you can see template 1, footer 1, header 1. This header 1 is the editor for the header part. So let's click this header 1. Okay, now you can see the header part is editable. When you move your mouse, it will show the editing option. So let's edit this date and time part. When you click this pen icon, you can see on the left side the time and date appearing. When you click, if you want to show the time, you can show, or else you can hide. And also the date. So the date format, you can select any date format. So better to keep the default one. And date position after or before. So if you want to show the date before the time, you can select that one. Like this, you can. And similarly this part. When you click the trending post line, so this is edit ticker news slider. So here you can show the widget title is trending. So the content type is posts. So post query. So here you can show the post or newest first, and the number of posts you can select any numbers, and the post category. So if you want to show the any post category, you can select the post categories. Once you click, the category will be appear. So you can select the categories. The post to include. Here you can select the specific post to display. Otherwise, it will show the latest post only. So if you want to display the specific post, you can select the slider setting. The arrows, here you can see the arrows are there. If you want to show the arrows, you can show or hide. So those kind of things you can do here. That is this part. And here social media icons. Once you click this, the social media icons will be shown here. If you don't want any social media icon, just you can delete that one. And when you click this every item, you can see the logo is appearing, and you paste URL. Here you can paste your specific social media content URL, page URL. Similarly, YouTube, all the things you can paste your URL and save. It's a very simple way. And this one is the logo, site logo and title. You can click site logo. So this is not showing the logo, actually showing the site title as a text. Here you can see it's only taking the text with the tagline. You can see the tagline is News Elementor, or whatever you can see, you can show. So if you want to display logo, here you can see, you can select custom, and here you can upload any logo you want. So if you are uploading the logo, you can hide this title text. So I just showing you, I just delete this title text, and let's upload a logo. I choose image, so upload image. So let's upload this, select. So like that you can upload logo, and you can increase the size of the logo. So if you don't want to display the tagline, you can delete this tagline. Like that you can edit this bar, this area. On the right side you can see this is an image box. So here you can display any advertisement banner you can show here. This is the image. So if you are using the Elementor Pro editor, you can put image link as also. So once the customers click the link image, it will redirect to the link you provided. In this part, this is a canvas menu. I'll show you how is the canvas menu is working. Okay, this is the canvas menu. Once you click, it will show the canvas as like this. The hot topics will be appear here, like this it will appear with the social media here. So you can edit this canvas menu. Here you can, there are templates available, so you can select the template. That is the canvas, and this part is the menu. So here you can edit the menu. 1, 2, 3 are there, so you can select the menu, and you can select the menu items and sub menus you can create, and mobile menu also you can edit here. So if you want to rearrange these menu items, you can, or delete any unnecessary items, you can go to the appearance and go to menus. You can see the menu number 3 is here. This, when you come back, you can see general, this is the menu number 1. So let's go back here, select menu number 1. So let's go here and select menu number 1 and select. Okay, now here you can edit the menu. So no need to keep this single post in the top. So you can remove this one, and you can keep other menus you want. Just save this menu, and on the right side you can see the search bar. So here, if you don't want the search bar, you can hide the search bar. Search results, you can see show thumbnail image, show post date. So if you want to enable, you can enable here. And this one the theme mode. Actually the theme mode title is show icon, light icon and dark icon. When you go to the main website, you can see when you click this is the dark mode. So customers can see the news in the dark mode, or else they can with the light mode. So it's a good option. So you can keep as it is. So those are the fields in the header part. So once you're done your editing, you can publish. Okay, let's edit the footer part. Once you scroll down, you can see this is the footer part. It have the 4 columns. You can see one is about us like column, other one is the quick links in the popular category, and some must read posts are there. Down you can see copyright text. How to edit this one? Again, go on the top, hover on this edit with Elementor, you can see the footer one. So once you click this footer one, okay, now you can see it will open the footer part to edit. So let's edit the first column. When you click this pen icon, you can see you can edit this part. So this is the site title and the site tagline. If you want to add logo, you can click this site logo as in the header, you can edit. And also in the about us detail, you can edit this text directly, or else you can edit here as well. And also this address details you can edit here. It's very easy, you can directly edit. And in the quick links, advanced heading, so this is a heading part, so you can edit the heading and also edit the size of the heading here. And this part is, you can see it shows the menu 1. So if you create a different menu as shown in the menu area, you can display the different menu area items here. And the next one is the popular categories. Here you can see the categories, and here this part is showing the menu item. So if you want to show the categories, you can create a menu with the category, then you can display the category here. I'll show you how to do that. Let's go here. Let's select this menu to as a categories. Just delete these items and this. Delete. And here go to the categories and select all categories. You can see uncategorized, no need to keep uncategorized. So click this all categories and add to menu. So now the menu to have the categories of items, and you can save the menu. Once you saved, you can come back, and here you can select the menu 2. So menu 2 use the links to the categories items. Now on the right side they are showing the popular categories. So here you can change heading or something else, and here once you click the pin items, this is menu 2, it's displaying. If you want, you can create a menu 3 and you can display that menu 3 here, like privacy and contents, those kind of things you can create here. And this part, the number 4 number 4th is the another column, must read item. So here the heading is must read, and this part is skin is classic. So here the post query, you can select the post query. So here it shows the newest to oldest, that is the latest post will be appear here. So if you want to show some specific category, you can select the category here and you can display. If you want to show some important post, you can select this post to include, and here you can manually select the post like features post to be displayed, like this one selected, and click enter, and you can select another one, again click enter, select another one. So like that you can select some featured post here. This is how you can select must read post items in this area. Okay, let's edit this copyright area. Once you click this pen icon, it will show the copyright 2024, all right reserved, designed and developed by. Here you can website name, like I am giving my website name. So if you want to give any link, you can select this one and click this pin icon, and here you can paste any developer website or any other websites, then you can click enter. So in the setting area, you can show open the link in a new tab. You can want to click this one. Once the customers click the link, it will open in a new tab, like that you can give. So it's very simple. So once you've done the editing of the footer part, you can publish. Okay, let's come to the home page editing. Now let's edit this home page. So there are home page items you can see. This is the slider area, and this area, these tags are here, and this advertisement banner, and the popular post. Here you can have the tabs, you can click these tabs. Post has to, there's a categories, the trending now here, in other areas. So before editing this home page, let's go and check the posts. So go to the dashboard and click post and click all posts. Okay, so these are the posts we are having now. These posts are we are imported from the demo, so you have to replace them with your own posts. So let's see the categories here. You can see there are categories here. So let's open a post and see. So you can edit the post directly by WordPress Gutenberg, or else edit with Elementor. So, okay, let's edit a post using Elementor. So if the post is created using Elementor, it will show the Elementor. So you can edit with Elementor easily. Otherwise, you can edit WordPress Gutenberg. So let's edit this one. So edit with Elementor. Right click and open a new tab. Once you open, the post will appear like this, as in the single post theme. So here you can edit the header and other. You can edit header and feature element by going here on the top. You can see this gear item. This is the post setting. So once you click this post setting, you can see this is the title. So you can edit this title, and also you can edit the image. And this is the excerpt. This excerpt is the summary of post. So it will be displayed with the thumbnail in the front of the post. Also, it will be helpful for the search engine optimization. So it's a summary, and here you can see allow comments. If you want to allow comment or don't allow, you can keep like this. So the hide title, if you want to hide the title, you can hide here, or else you can display. So better to display. And page layout is the default layout. So if you want to have a Elementor full width, you can activate that one. So those kind of things you can do. And in the post contents, you can create a table of contents. There's a separate tutorial on how to create table of contents. You can see that one. Here you can edit with the pen icon. Here you can edit the paragraph. You can edit directly as well here as well. So in between the post, you can have the small titles. So you can add headings and again paragraphs and again images. You can edit the image. So those kind of things you can do. So there's a separate video on how to edit a post. You can see that. So if you want to edit this categories of post and want to add the text, you can quick edit this one. You can click this quick edit. Here you can see the category. So this post is categorized for health. So if you want to add another category, you can add like sports. So you can add multiple categories like this. And also you can add tags. Any tags you can add. The tag is helpful for the search engine optimization. So those kind of things you can do. So once done, you can click update. Also in the post, you can click publish. Then only the changes will be saved. Okay, let's come back to the home page. So let's edit this home page. So for edit home page, you just click this edit with Elementor. Directly you click this edit with Elementor. It will open the page where you are clicking. Okay, once you move your mouse, you can see the header part is not editable, or it is separate editable. But here the home page items are editable easily. So you can see this part is editable. This is a section. If you don't want the section, you can just directly delete, or else if you want to add a new section, you can click this plus icon and you can add the new section. Okay, once you click this pen icon, you can see. So once you click this main banner wrap, so if you want to interchange this main banner wrap with trailing post, you can just drag and drop. Let's show you. If you drag and drop, you can see the trailing post coming this way, and main banner wrap coming this way. So if you want, change again. Okay, this is the slider part. So when you click this slider post query, so here you can select the number of posts you want to display. So the number is 4. That's the maximum number. Okay, or else you can minimize the number. So maximum 4 posts you can display in the sliders. So it will select the tech, lifestyle and health. So the 3 categories selected. So the latest post of those 3 categories will be displayed here. So if you want to display a specific post, as I showed earlier, you can select this post to include. Click here and you can select any featured post to display here. So you can manually select, or else if you select the categories, those categories latest post will be displayed here. And the slider post element settings, so show the post title, post categories. If you want, you can show or hide. This is the post category and this post title. If you want to show the date, you can click the show date. And also if you want to show the excerpt is the summary I mentioned earlier. The summary part also will be displayed here. It's very nice. And slider settings, so here there are several settings there, so you can enable or disable those settings. For example, enable slider auto slide. So auto slide is better to keep that. Auto slider allow show, enable slider loop. So those kind of things you can. Slider lot also you can show. So the dots, there are 4 posts available, so 4 dots will be appear like in the top. So those kind of things you can do here. And the trailing post, that is this part. So here the post query, here it shows to oldest to newest. So you can show the newest to oldest and number of posts 4. So here you can, rather displaying categories, you can select some featured post to display. So let's just delete this one and delete this one. So here let's select post to include. So find your personal life, that is 1, and click that. Recharge your body, number 2. So like that you can select any featured post you want to display in the top of the page. So I have selected 4 posts, so you can select maximum of 4 posts you can display here. And here also the element setting, you can show the post title and the post categories and the animation settings, and also image settings. You can select in image settings how to arrange. So those kind of things, minor things you can do. And let's go down, and here this part, once you click this pen icon, this is a news list. Here also you can show the card or classic pay, this post query. So here also you can select some categories. So one top post of each category will be appear there. So you can select, and here also the post elements. You can show the post title, thumbnail. So those kind of things you can display there. Categories. If you don't want, you can delete the categories. So those kind of things you can display. Also animation setting and image settings you can do. And the next one is the image. It's the advertisement image. So you can display any advertisement image here. So once you click this pen icon, you can add it here. So if you're using the Elementor Pro, you can give the link also. So those kind of things you can do there. And here this popular posts. This is a news filter. So the skin is classic. So you can select card as well. But better select classic. And the post query. So here newest with oldest, and the category selected here are the sports and health. So if you want to display all the categories, you can select all the categories here. So once the customers click this each category, it will display the relevant category items. And the post element settings, as we done earlier, you can edit the post element settings and the animation and the image settings. Okay, on the right sidebar you can see the advanced heading. Here you can edit the heading. Here you can edit the trending now heading with the header size also. And here is a classic and the post query, and the number of posts is 5, up to 6 you can add. Post categories, if you select the post categories, you show the specific post category item only, that is the newest to oldest. So keep in mind. Or else if you want to display the specific post, you can select this. Okay, and here also there's an advertisement banner, you can edit here. And this one, this and again a news list, is a card type list. You had one column. If you want several column, you can make it several column. Again post query, you can add up to 3. You can add many post types. So if you just keep one, is better. And also you can add the post category, or else it will display the latest one. So better to give a post category or else a specific post. So you can edit that one. And similarly this part is a news grid. It's a grid type of post. There's a grid of 3 posts. So again you can select the post query and the post elements. Similarly we have done earlier. And this is a category type of post. So you can see this health category. So once you click this one, you can edit the heading of this post category. So this is health. And once you click this pen icon, here you can see number of columns 3. So here post query, post oldest to newest. So better to have newest to oldest. And here it is the health. So you can give the health category only. So delete this one, lifestyle. So it's a health. So health related post only will be displayed here. And next one is the latest post. When you click, you can edit this heading here. And when you click this pen icon, is a news list. So here post query, you no need to do anything, the newest to oldest. So it will display the newest to oldest post. So you can increase the post number up to 6. So you can delete these categories. Otherwise, if you select categories, it will only display that specific category post only. So better to delete these categories and keep it empty. So then only it will show the latest post irrespective of the categories. Again, you can edit the elements and those kind of things as done earlier. And here also the editor speaks. Right side, edit this pen icon and edit the heading. And here also you can click the pen icon. So here the post query, you can give phone number. So editor picks mean so the better the featured post like thing. So you have to select the best post to display in the front page. So you can select that post. Similarly, you might have missed. Again, you can change the name according to your pay. And this is a carousel. Carousel means it's like a slide. So it will show a slide. So here also the post query, you can give newest to oldest. Here you can give the post categories, and it will be rolling as a carousel. So this is how you can edit the home page. Once you're done, please publish. Okay, let's edit other pages. So other pages are archive, fashion, lifestyle. This fashion and lifestyles are the categories. Also there are other categories. So you can add other categories as well in the menu line. Let's see this archive. Okay, for that let's go to the dashboard, go to appearance and go to menus. Okay, here we have to select the main menu one. That's the one we are displaying in the front top menu in the header part. This is the main menu one. So this is the main menu one we have selected. So we can change this archive into latest, like change this as the latest. Just save it. And also you can add other categories into the menu as well. So let's go to the categories. So here you can see the fashion and lifestyles are there. So you have to add health, sport and text. So missing 3 categories added, so added to menu. Okay, now if you want to keep this contact us at the bottom or at the end of the menu, you can keep on the bottom. So now save menu. Okay, let's go back. Now refresh. Now you can see all the categories have been added. So no need of this category, just delete this category. And we have added other categories, save menu. So refresh this. Okay, now see, now you can see each category will be displayed here. The posts related to the categories will be displaying here. Let's see the new categories. The tech, you can see the latest posts of text will appear here. So this is how the categorical items displayed in your website. Okay, let's go to the final part of the tutorial, that is the contact us page editing. So let's click this contact us page. Okay, here you can see the contact us with the contact form 7 ID is here, but no form is displaying. So how to edit this one? So to display this contact form, you should have the contact form 7 plugin. So go back here, go to plugins, click add new plugin, search for contact form 7. This one, click install now, click activate. Okay, now the contact 7 form is installed and activated. So let's go back and let's refresh this one. Now you can see the contact form contacts are appearing here. You can see you can clickable these areas. Okay, let's edit this form. Click edit with Elementor. Once you click this contact us, you can edit this heading contact us and also edit this the paragraph. If you want to give any instruction, you can edit this instruction. Then once you click this pen icon, it will show you the contact form 7 code. This is a short code it's showing. So we have to edit this contact form. Again, go back, go to the plugin. This is the contact form 7. Click this settings. You can see the contact form 1. This is the short code we are pasted there. So click edit. Now you can edit this contact form. This is an old fashioned form displaying here. Now we can use the contact 7 form using drag and drop form creation. It's a nice tutorial on how to create a simple to advanced form on using the contact 7 form. You can I'll put the link in the description. You can see. So by watching that video, you can easily create a very nice contact form. Okay, so this is how you can edit the NewsMatic form using Elementor Builder. If you have any queries, please leave us a comment. And if you don't subscribe our channel, please subscribe our channel and stay with us. Thank you.